Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, enter Google Pay app and tap blue button at the bottom of the screen. Now focus on loyalty, gift card and public transport. Enter loyalty and select loyalty card you want to add. For example, IKEA. Now you can scan your card or enter your details manually. Tap save and it's done. Let's go back. And now let's add gift card. Similar to loyalty card, you have to select shop, for example, Big W, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. Last card you can add is public transport. So if you are able to find your public transport, select it, you'll be redirected to website where you have to finish the inside form. Great. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.